Hi, I'm Lance Mullins and I'm here with MarineMax in Sandestin. Today we're going to be showcasing this 53-foot Carver Voyager pilot house. Looking forward to showing you all the wonderful features this has. So come on, let's get on board. Now that we're on board, you can see how spacious the transom area is. There's so many options to be able to do out here. You have a wonderful overhang to be able to protect you from the inclement weather. You have ample storage back here to be able to put your things away, to be able to create more room elsewhere on the boat. You have a phenomenal access to the swim platform with a beautiful dive door. One of the features that I want to talk about while we're here is to show you the bolsters and show you how well maintained this boat has been. There are certain things that you can see on a boat that displays whether the maintenance has been done correctly. When you look at the fiberglass, you look at the cushions on this boat, they're meticulously maintained, as well as having the sea deck on the back. This is made so much easier for cleaning. It's in perfect shape. When you're looking at this from perspective of entertaining, you have so many options to be able to put chairs, to be able to put ice chests, to fish, to just be able to use this as another wonderful feature for entertaining on the boat. As we're looking at this, you can see you have access to the pilot house, which is wonderful from this area, so you're not having to go in and out of the cabin. Also, you have access to the engine room right here. This door goes into a wonderfully well equipped and ergonomically designed engine area to allow any person of any size ease to get into the area that is most needed to be looked at. Now that we're inside, I'd like to show you some of the major upgrades that have been done since this boat was purchased. The owner has put in all new wood teak floors, which has replaced the carpet before. The teak wood flooring is absolutely gorgeous. It adds just such a beautiful elegance to the boat. In addition to that, there's been a new microwave oven put in, convection oven, and a new fridge. We also have a new Samsung flat screen TV. Incorporating with that was all new audio system that has been able to create a more of a surround sound feel inside this area. This salon area is so comfortable. You have a beautiful couch that reclines. It's comfortable enough to sleep on. It's got all kinds of creature comforts like at home. The interior is absolutely beautiful inside. One of the things that I noticed is when you look on board, how everything is absolutely in new condition. Everything from the sink, from the galley area, from all of the cabinetry. When I look at this, I look and notice at how all of the ceiling tile, which has been upgraded as well, all the new beautiful blinds. I look at this and say this is a boat that you could either live on or you could take for a beautiful week-long trip and never feel like you lose the creature comforts of home. And as we make our way up from the galley, you can see this is where the lower helm station is. All the features are so easily ergonomically designed for the captain when he's driving the boat. One of the things also is this wraparound couch here. It is absolutely fantastic. It has been just recently redone, not just the upholstery, but also the cushions. So it's basically a brand new couch system. In addition, you can see again, all the areas that this boat has been showing wonderfully maintained attention to detail with the flooring. All of the ceiling area is super clean. It just feels like somebody has just constantly kept this boat perfectly maintained. Now as we come downstairs, you can see the configuration of the cabins. As you walk down, you can see that we have the master suite right off to the port side. It comes with a beautiful shower, full head, and vanity. As you come down to the next room, we have a bunk bed set up, very spacious, can accommodate adults and children alike. And then we have the VIP suite. This is a wonderfully equipped in-suite with TV, access to a private head, which is right here. So as you can see again, Everywhere I look, the boat is phenomenally maintained. One other feature about downstairs is it came with a brand new Webasto 16,000 BTU AC. That was just installed within the last 9 months. So now let's go upstairs and take a look at the beautiful upper station and pilot house. And as we come up to the pilot house, one of the things I would like to really emphasize is how much room there is to be able to access upstairs from the lower helm. So as we walk up into this beautifully maintained and absolutely gorgeously upholstered location, is all the work the original owner has done. He has put a beautiful brand new bimini top, all new isinglass. So when you walk in here, you look at a boat that looks like it just came off the showroom floor. As you can see, the helm station is a beautiful area up here to be able to navigate. You've got great visibility. You have a wonderful place here to be able to entertain as well. You have your refrigerator, you have your sink, you have all kinds of storage up here to be able to entertain. And now I'd just like to go ahead and show one more time how beautifully equipped this boat is with, again, another wraparound couch. This boat is so full of entertaining value, it's fantastic. I like to look at this and be able to see exactly what all the opportunities are for ownership. You have a space in the back here for a dinghy or any kind of water toy that you would like to use. You have access to a grill out here on the back as well. And there's just so many features on this boat that I look forward to talking to you about. Again, this is Lance Mullins with MarineMax. I look forward to talking to you. Thank you.